So this garden bed, we're actually producing food. So things like pumpkin, we'll be planting. At the moment is autumn, coming into winter. So we will be planting cowpea. Cowpea is it's basically grown to feed cows, or animal. But the beans, it's almost like azuki beans. So it is a survivor food. You can dry it, put it in a jar, and then cook it. So I get it from Eden Seed. So I'll be planting it all here. So this is where we can produce a lot of food. So over here, the way I'm doing it is, I've got Queensland arrowroot. Those green are all Queensland arrowroot along the edge here. So they are very productive. They produce a nice tuber that you can eat. So that's your carbohydrate. And then the next row is your tapioca, cassava. So there's a whole row of cassava here. And then beyond these, I've just planted some Jerusalem artichoke, which is another tuber. So the tapioca, you can eat the leaves and the tuber, but obviously you've got to cook them, otherwise it's toxic. So Jerusalem artichoke. And then here we've got pigeon pea. Now this is also a very productive pea, a productive plant. It is the most common pea in the world. It produces a lot of peas, and they call it the poor man's pea. So you can use it as your dal in the rice. This is the one. So obviously the pumpkin will give us a lot of carb, pigeon peas, and then now we're going to have a lot of cowpeas growing here. So that would be all carb as well. Yep. So this is the area for food production, and over there we got beans. But it's getting a bit cold for beans now. But these are lots of beans. So we'll be waiting for this to dry up and then just harvest that and put them in jar as well. So all these are beans, it's just everywhere. Yep. So we grow two types of beans. There's the more like a kidney bean, and the bigger one, the Madagascar beans, the big ones, which are one of my favorite. I don't think we've got them here. No, not here. But the Madagascar bean are the very big one. Yep. So this is how you can grow actual food. Like potatoes are hard to grow because we have a very small window in Brisbane to grow potato. So, grow what is easy. Like this Queensland arrowroot, I never water them. I just chop some of these into two pits, take cuttings out of them, and then just propagate them all along the way, and they just grow. All right, so this is, and obviously among here is all our fruit trees, things like durian, green sapoti, white sapoti, Rollinia, we've got yellow sapoti, we've got custard apple, things like that, all along here. And this is Davison plum. And then this is your persimmon that's dropping its leaves now. And then this is the jujube, Chinese jujube tree.